How do you save the WhatsApp document photos in the gallery of the iPhone? Let me explain it all. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. So, as you may know, there are two types of sharing photos through the WhatsApp chat, right? So it might look differently. If the picture just shows up right away, as a regular photo, that's easy. You can just click on share and save that image. But it can also happen that the image kind of looks like this, that it doesn't show the preview, it just shows that it's an image and it just behaves or looks like a file. And when you get inside, it works a bit different because you don't really have the same options, but you can as well click on it in the full screen, tap the share icon and click on a save image, right? So that would be another way how you can save the image to the gallery, because as I said, there is a difference between sharing the pictures as files or as these photos with the preview, but generally it's pretty much just the same, right? What you could also do is just to click on hold down on the image, tap on forward and click on share, and now this is basically an image which you can just save somewhere else. So you can click on a save to files right here and then find it in the files and save it to your gallery from the files. So that would be just another approach of how you can get the same picture which was sent as document to your gallery. But at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter which option you use as long as you have the final result of the photo saved in your gallery. So let me know if it made sense to you, if it worked on your device. I would really appreciate your feedback, but for now, that's it. I really appreciate you sticking till the end, and I hopefully get to see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.